Mabuhay! Believe it or not, once upon a time, Nissan used to sell a 7-seater MPV. It was called the Grand Livina. While it enjoyed moderate success, unfortunately, it couldn't keep up with the competition, and sadly, it was killed off just a few years ago. Until now. This is the all-new Nissan Livina VL 1.5 AT, and we're gonna take you on a short tour to see what's what. If the shape and the design look familiar, that's because it is. The Livina is actually based on the pre-updated Mitsubishi Expander. Of course, Nissan added their own touch just to distinguish the Livina from the Expander. That's why you get the patented V-Motion grille from Nissan. You also get LED DRLs and halogen fog lights and headlights. Now let's go over to the side. Over here at the side, you get 16-inch alloy wheels and some chrome accents found here on the door mirrors and on the door handles. Lastly, down below you get this panel that's finished in a brushed metal look. Onto the rear. Over here at the rear, you get these familiar looking LED taillights, a third brake light, and a roof antenna. Down below you get the same panels that are found on the side, which are finished also in the same brushed metal look. Now let's check out the inside. So now we're inside the Nissan Livina, and well, the interior is also very familiar. But really, I like that it's straightforward, and at the same time, it blends the right amount of digital displays and analog gauges. It makes it look modern, but at the same time, not too complicated. So, what do you get? Here in the steering wheel, you have controls for the infotainment here on the left side. In front of me, you have analog gauges and a small multi-informational display that has your fuel economy and other vehicle settings. This is a 7-inch infotainment screen that unfortunately does not have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you do get a phone link system which works the same way. It's just that you have to download it on your phone. Interestingly, it also comes with a CD player. I'm not sure why, but pretty cool. If you have CDs, you can plop it right in there. These are your air conditioning controls, but what I like about the interior is that it has a lot of cubby holes. You have spaces here and even here that you can open, and over here as well that you can open, or you can store a lot of stuff even here in front of you. But overall, the interior is not bad. I think the best thing though about it is that even if this is supposed to be a budget-friendly 7-seater MPV, Nissan chose to put leather seats and leather wrapping for the steering wheel, the gear lever, and the handbrake. So, good job. Under the hood of the Nissan Livina is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated gasoline engine that puts out 105 PS and 141 Newton meters of torque. The engine is then paired to a 4-speed automatic. The Nissan Livina VL retails for, I'm actually not sure how much because we filmed this before the launch, but right now I'm pretty sure we can put that here. Yes, it may not be as new as some of the competition in terms of specs and features, but the Nissan Livina is based on a tried and tested top-selling formula, which should make it very good value for money. Also, stay tuned for a full review. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantano of Yugo Auto. Paalam!